Let's learn to make lime pepper sauce, one of my favorites. So to start this recipe, I'm adding my lime and lemon to a pot of water. You're going to bring this up to a boil and boil it until the skin is very tender. Once tender, remove it and set it aside to cool down. Keep that water, we'll need it in the recipe. So I'm adding in that lemon and lime that we boiled. In goes the garlic, so all of the other ingredients go in. Banana or cilantro or recao, some white distilled vinegar, and salt to taste. Next, add in the peppers. And we're going to add some of that water that I told you guys to keep from when we boiled the limes and lemon. Cover and blend it to the texture and the consistency you would like. If you wanted it runny, add more of the liquid that we boiled the lime in. And once it's to the consistency and texture that you like, it's now ready to be served. You can keep this in your refrigerator for a few months, well, if it lasts that long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and delicious recipe. This is the consistency and texture that I like. So thank you all for making this recipe. I'll see you in the next recipe video.